am currently retired nurse practitioner and very recently retired from San Antonio College as an adjunct faculty. I joined Theta back in 2010 because I wanted to give back to my community. I wanted to be able to get out and meet people and see where I can make a difference in their lives. So over the past several years, Theta chapter has been coordinating the health fair at Juneteenth celebration. We also provide first aid. If you recall, Juneteenth was over a number of days, 2 to 3 days. This year, the 2024 official Juneteenth festival will be over 1 day on June 15th. And we are responsible again this year for coordinating the health fair as well as providing first aid for the event. My particular role is to coordinate the health fair for the 2024 official Juneteenth festival. So we will have a variety of vendors out for the public to come and partake. You can get blood pressure screenings, finger sticks. We will have people there that can check your kidney levels, also your respiratory system. Immunizations as well will be available, and just education for the public. And this is free to the public, no cost at all. So we want everyone to come out to Comanche Park, #2, and participate in this 2024 official Juneteenth festival. We have been with the Juneteenth Commission at least 10 plus years. The sorority has been involved with this, I know, before I came on board, which was 2010. So it's been quite a few years that we've been doing this.
So you're doing blood pressure testing, you're doing kidney level testing, and glucose testing?
Glucose testing, as well as providing immunizations. That will be great for the kids before they go back to school to make sure that their vaccines are up to date as well. And for those who might have a question about their respiratory or their lungs and their breathing, we will have a vendor there as well that can check that. That is one of the most important tests that you can have done. There are several, and we do encourage all of your screenings be done. But kidney disease is often not picked up until you have your kidney levels checked, your kidney function checked by your provider. So kidneys are important when it comes to your blood pressure. They're also important when it comes to diabetes. So we want to make sure that our kidney levels are where they need to be and that our kidneys are functioning properly. And many times we don't even realize that there's a problem until we have labs done. You may have heard high blood pressure is often called a silent killer because we don't know when our blood pressure is elevated. We often think we can feel it when we have a headache, when we have our eyes may be hurting, but you can't really know when your blood pressure is high unless you're getting it checked and you're checking it on a regular basis. And many times people wait until too much time has passed, and by then the blood pressure has already caused damage to your kidneys. Same thing can happen with diabetes. We don't really realize that we're having a problem. One of the early symptoms could be a lot of weight loss and a lot of thirst with diabetes. And we often think, it's great, I'm finally losing weight, but the reason that you're losing weight is because your pancreas is not functioning correctly and you are in grave danger until you get that your diabetes level checked and your blood pressure is checked. So the immunizations that will be provided, we are the COVID vaccine. We highly recommend that everyone get their COVID vaccination as well. For children, if you are still needing your measles, mumps, and rubella, and of course, coming into the fall, we're going to need our flu vaccine. If you're over the age of 65, we want you to make sure that you get your flu vaccine as well as your pneumonia vaccine. People often are now prone in their latter decades with developing shingles. If you've been exposed to chickenpox or had chickenpox as a child in your latter decades, 40s, 50s, we've seen people come in their 30s that have shingles, and that is very, very painful. So we do encourage you also to make sure that you have your chickenpox or varicella vaccine up to date as well. All of the health fair services